Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It is also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, we are going to discuss latest job openings in Kakinada location. Attention, please don't pay money for any kind of job. Firstly, there is a job opening for support teacher from Lakshya International School. It is located in Kakinada location, Andhra Pradesh. Support teacher for this job position to assist homeroom teacher in documenting corrections, supporting individual students and assisting in teaching and learning. This is the job description. Please check with this once, and here is the application process to apply for this job position. Check with the all details provided here to apply for this job position. Interested candidates, you can contact with the given email IDs provided here. Next, there is a job opening for physical education teachers from the same school, Lakshya International School, located in Kakinada location. For this job position, minimum qualification will be MPED. The candidate should be graduate or postgraduate in sports from a nationally recognized institution with experience in reputed institutions or organizations, and the candidate should have the passion for sports and should be able to invoke interest and enthusiasm for sports in students. Please check with the job description provided here for this job position, and also this is the job application process. Please go through it once. Next, there is a job opening for counselor from the same school, Lakshya International School. For this job position, the candidate should have completed postgraduate in psychology with 2 to 5 years of experience in counseling or dealing with behavioral issues, promote student success, and provide preventive services and respond to identified student needs by implementing a comprehensive school counseling program that addresses academic, career, and personal or social development for all students. Please check with the job description provided here for this job position, and also this is the application process. You have to follow all these steps provided here to apply for this job position. After following all the instructions, you need to send to this email IDs provided here. Next, there is a job opening for retail sales executive from Mahindra Mitaiwala Private Limited, located in Kakinada location. They are offering a salary for this position is 8,000 rupees per month. And for this job position, minimum qualification will be any education after 10th. 0 to 3 years of experience is needed for this job position. I mean, freshers can also be eligible to apply for this job position. Preferred experience domain will be sweet shops or retails background. Salary is depends on the present salary. They are going to provide these benefits, that is food and accommodation benefits also with salary. Age will be minimum 18 years and max 25 years. Male candidates are preferable for this job position. Interested candidates, you can contact with the given phone number, that is 9578099111. Next, there is a job opening for digital marketing jobs from Vinithna IT Services India, located in Kakinada location. They are looking for an enthusiastic and hardworking digital marketing executive, and for this job position, 0 to 1 year of experience is needed in marketing field or relevant degree. Should be able to learn new techniques, and you should be able to work on SEO, SMO, PPC and content writing platforms. Excellent writing skills are needed, highly organized, good at building relationships with the clients and colleagues, you should be a team player. These are the responsibilities needed for this job position. And coming to qualifications, should be graduate in computers and good at building relationships with clients and colleagues, and a confident team player and outgoing personality is needed for this job position. Interested candidates, you can send your resumes to the provided email ID. Next, there is a job opening for BSc Nursing for this organization, that is Nadipati Healthcare, located in Kakinada location, Andhra Pradesh. They are offering a salary for this position is 10,000 to 20,000 rupees per month. For this job position, education qualification will be ANM or BSc Nursing. This job position is for female candidates. Both freshers or experienced candidates can be able to apply for this job position. Timings will be 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Interested candidates, you can contact with the given phone number, that is 8885011325. Next, there is a job opening for security guard from Chandana Brothers Shopping Mall, Kakinada. They are going to offer this much salary, minimum 9,000 to maximum 12,000 rupees per month. Responsible to hand allocated duty. Minimum qualification is SSC. Interested candidates, you can approach through this contact number, that is 9959500266. Next, there are openings from Vartaman College of Engineering Autonomous, affiliated to JNTUH. In this college, they are hiring for professors or associate professor or assistant professors. They are looking for these positions in these respective branches, that is computer science and engineering, information technology, and also for CSE in artificial intelligence and machine learning. They are hiring for all these positions in this college. Coming to qualification and experience and pay scales are as per AICTE. Candidates with PhD degree will be preferred for this job position. Last date to apply for this job position is 9th February 2021. Interested candidates, you can visit this website link provided here. Next, there are openings from Vidya Vikas junior and degree colleges. They are hiring for lecturers for all these respective subjects, that is Sanskrit, Telugu, botany, computer science, civics, commerce, chemistry, maths and Hindi. Interested candidates, you can contact with the given phone number, and you can also send your resumes to the provided email ID. Next one, there are openings from Vignan junior and degree colleges from Mandapeta. They are hiring for teachers for teaching faculties to teach inter and degree classes for these subjects, that is English, Sanskrit, maths, statistics, physics, civics, zoology, economics, accountancy, and also for tutors for all subjects and supporting staff is needed. For non-teaching work also, interested candidates, you can attend for demo. Interested candidates, you can send your resumes to the provided Gmail ID, or else you can contact with the given phone numbers if any queries. Next, there are openings from Time Institute. Firstly, there is a job opening for counselor. For this job opening, smart female graduates fluent in English with counseling experience is needed. Second position, telecaller. For this job position, smart male or female graduates with prior experience is needed. Walk-in interviews are going on. Remuneration is best in the field. Interested candidates, you can contact with the given phone numbers. These positions are available in these locations, that is in Kakinada and as well as in Rajahmundry locations. Interested candidates, you can approach using these phone numbers. Next, there are job openings from Bhashyam English Medium School, Shantinagar, Kakinada. Contact number is 9848536938. They are hiring for teachers to teach 6th to 10th classes in the following subjects: biology, physical science, social and Hindi. For all these subjects, they are hiring for teachers. Please, interested candidates, you can contact with the given address details. Next, there are openings from Srikanth School. They have provided here the contact number, and they are hiring for teachers from LKG to 5th class and up to 9th class. You need to teach maths, science and English and Hindi subjects, Hindi and social subjects. Salary is negotiable for these job positions. You can approach using this contact number they have provided here, that is 8639699575. Next, there is a job opening for staff members from Sri Optical Eye Care. It is besides Canara Bank, Gandhinagar, Kakinada 4. Cell number is 7794999499. Interested candidates, you can contact with the given address details. Next, there are job openings from Mount Carmel High School. They are hiring for teachers, full-time teachers for PS and NS subjects, and part-time tutors for BTech students. Timings will be 9 a.m. to 12 noon. And for full-time teachers, the qualification will be BSc and BEd. Interested candidates, you can contact with the given address details. They have provided here the contact number, that is 7396601999. It is located in Kakinada location. Next, there is a job opening for male accountant. For this job position, qualification will be 4 to 5 years of experience is needed in handling work of company accounts independently and having knowledge of Tally. These are the skills needed for this job position. They have provided here the experience and the skills. Interested candidates, you can contact with the given address details provided here. If you are interested, please send your resume to the provided email ID. The phone number is 9177171898. Next, there is a job opening for lecturer in English Biotechnology for degree courses. Address details are provided here. It is from Degree and PG College, that is Sri Venkateshwara College of Science Degree and PG College. It is located in Amalapuram location. They have provided here the contact numbers. You can approach through these contact numbers provided here. First one is 9849136584. Second one 9505844123. Next, there are openings from Basham School. They are hiring for teachers to teach all subjects from 1st to 10th classes for all these subjects, that is maths, physics and chemistry. IIT teachers for 6th to 10th. Interested candidates, so you can approach using the phone numbers. They have provided here the phone numbers and as well as address details here. Next, Sri Priyanka UP English Medium School is hiring for teachers to teach LKG to 7th class. Interested candidates, you can approach using these address details and contact numbers provided here. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members and subscribe the channel for more updated videos. Thanks for watching the video, my dear friends.